Lesson 2, Sides and Angles. Today we're going to look at the 2D shapes or two-dimensional shapes, and we're going to describe them by how many sides they have and how many angles they have. So if we look at this triangle and we count the sides, 1, 2, 3, this has 3 sides, and we count the angles. Remember, the angles are where 2 line segments come together. So they've got this one shown for you. These 2 lines come together. This is an angle. These 2 lines come together. That's an angle. These 2 lines come together. That's an angle. So we have 1, 2, 3 angles. Here's a quadrilateral, or more specifically, a rectangle. If we count the sides, 1, 2, 3, 4 sides. And we count the angles where the 2 lines come together. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 angles. This is a pentagon, so let's count the sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sides. And the angles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 angles. This is a hexagon. Let's count the sides of our hexagon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sides. And let's count our angles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 angles. If you've noticed so far, the number of sides and the number of angles is exactly the same, okay? Let's look at our circle. Our circle has 0 sides. It doesn't have any straight lines at all. It's one big curved line. So therefore, it has 0 angles, okay? We don't have 2 line segments coming together at all on a circle. So 0 sides, 0 angles. Down below, I'm going to trace each shape, and then I have to write how many sides and angles it has. So after I trace this and I count my sides, I count 4 sides, I count my angles, and I have 4 angles. That could be called a square or a diamond because it's turned and it looks a little bit like a diamond. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sides, 6 sides. That is called a hexagon. And of course we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 angles as well. The next one says circle the objects that have 0 sides and 0 angles. I would not circle this one because this has 4 sides and 4 angles. I would circle this one because it is all curved. It does not have any sides or angles. And I would circle this one because, again, it's all curved, no straight lines, so no sides or angles. Here's a question you can talk about with your parents or your brothers and sisters. How are a square and a hexagon alike? And how are they different? So have that discussion with someone at home today.